Hi, we're going to look at multiplying polynomials today. Now, if you understand how to multiply by a monomial, how to distribute that, this isn't far off. It's just really just the distributive problem over and over and over again. So that's all we're doing. So let's dive in. I want to break this first binomial up into two parts. Uh, First, I want to look at that 3x. I want to make sure that 3x gets distributed to everything. So I'm going to say that 3x times x gives me 3x, and remember, we're going to add our exponents here, squared. 3x and 5 is going to give me 15. Bring the x along. Okay. Now we need to distribute the second number, that 4 that we didn't touch. It goes to everything afterwards. 4 to the x gives me 4x. 4 to the 5 gives me 20. Now, everything I just did here, you already did with multiplying by a monomial. There's one little step we have to do. Combine like terms. So they're both on the same side. You're just cleaning up your room here. You're saying I got 15 over here. I got 4 of something over here. Let's put them together in one big pile. And it's going to give us 19 of whatever it is we have. And bring everything down. And we're good. We're in standard form. Highest exponent to lowest exponent. Call it a day. Now, what if you have a binomial and a trinomial? Well, over here, we distributed twice up top. We distributed 3 times on bottom, or twice on the bottom. Now we're going to distribute 3 times and 3 times. So let's follow along. Let's distribute those two. So 2y squared is going to give us 2y to the third. Add your exponents. 2y and negative 3y, so positive, negative, going to give us a negative. 2 and 3 gives us 6. Y and y squared. And then one more, 2y and 2, 4y. So we just distributed everything up top. Now we have to worry about distributing this negative 4. I'm going to go on the bottom. Negative 4y squared. Now, hold on for a second now. I could distribute this. I'm going to get this big, long problem, and it's going to kind of run off my paper. So what I like to do with these, instead of writing it all next to, I'm going to put them up and down, right under like terms. So it's going to be y squared. I'm going to put it negative 4y squared. I'm going to put it underneath. Now everything's going to kind of fall in order. Negative, negative gives us a positive 12, and we're talking about y's. And then one more distributing. Negative 4 and 2 gives us negative 8. Now, when I combine like terms, I'm just really combining up and down. So nothing combines here. 2y to the third. Negative 6, negative 4. You have negative 6 something, negative 4 something. Put them together. We have negative 10 of those things. Keep the y squared. 12 and 4 gives us 16. Keep the y and bring down the 8. Highest exponent down to lowest, we are good. We're in standard form. Now, does this change when we have a trinomial and a trinomial? No. This process stays the same. This part gets a little larger, but then you're just combining and adding like terms. So let's distribute. 2 and 5 gives us 10. X squared gives us x. Add the exponents to the fourth. Distribute again. Positive, negative gives us negative. 2 and 2, 4. X squared and x. Add the exponents. 3. Distribute one more time. 2 and negative 8, negative 16. Bring the x squared along. We distributed the first term. Let's distribute the second term. 15x to the third. So let's just put under the x to the thirds. And we know that's a positive. We're going to have x squared, so it's going to be negative 6x squared. And one more distributing. 3 and negative 8 gives us negative 24x. Okay, now I'm running out of room to draw lines because I don't have a 3D board here. That's okay. So let's just try this all again. But this time we're going to distribute negative 6. Negative 30 under x squared. Distribute again. 12x. Negative negative makes it a positive. Negative negative again, positive. 6 and 8 gives us 48. Now we can just add and combine like terms up and down. So nothing combines here. 10x to the fourth. 15 minus 4 gives us 11. What are we talking about? X to the thirds. We got a mess here. So your answer is going to be negative, negative 30, 40, 52. We're talking about x squareds. Next one, negative 12x, and then bring down that 48. Standard form, highest exponent, 4, go to lowest, 3, 2, 1, 0. Beautiful. And that is multiplying polynomials.